So welcome to Topper's World. In this video I am going to show you how can we write effective sentences for getting for 7 band at least. So what we have to do in order to get 7 band, this video is all about that. So we need a quality sentences for this reason, and how can we write quality sentences? For that we need to learn about certain conjunctions. So this video is about conjunctions. Conjunctions means linking words. I am going to show you how to write, how to use linking words to combine two sentences so that sentence can become more impressive, complex, and examiner will give you 7 band for that. First of all, let's learn about how to use both and. Both and. Look at the sentence number A. Government provides free education to poor people. Provides free education. Second sentence is government provides free food to poor people. So in both sentences, government provides something to poor people. These two sentences can be combined to make one stronger sentence. And how it can be done? So new sentence can be like that. Government provides both free education and food to poor people. So we have cleverly combined both sentences into one sentence using both and. Now we will learn about as well as. The first sentence A, exercise is beneficial for health, and second sentence is balanced diet is beneficial for health. So these two sentences can be combined together by writing that exercise as well as balanced diet is beneficial for health. Exercise as well as balanced diet is beneficial for health. Exercise as well as balanced diet is beneficial for health. Now look at two sentences. This is a wonderful example of using not only but also. He got promotion, he got increment in salary. So we can combine both sentences. He not only got promotion, but increment in salary also. So such kind of structures are written in essay. In every paragraph they will add very good taste to your writing and you definitely get good score. We can use still in place of but. My friend is very rich, he is not contented. So we can combine these two sentences by using still instead of using but is often repeated and low level linking word. So we can write that my friend is very rich, still he is not contented. So you can write that my friend is very rich, still he is not contented. What you have to do, you have to combine both sentences by using still. Still he is not contented, simply. And still is used when we have to show the contrast in sentence structure. The next is a very important linking word, that is nevertheless. So how can we use nevertheless? It's also used for contrast, for despite or instead of. They were very tired and they continued the work. So this sentence can be written as they were very tired, they were very tired. Nevertheless, they continued the work. Nevertheless, they continued the work. So in this way, nevertheless can be used. The same sentence can also be well written by using although yet. How can you use it? Although they were very tired, yet they continued the work. Although, so we can say, we will use like this, although they were very tired, yet they continued the work. So although and yet can also be used here. By using whereas, we can also combine two independent sentences like rice needs plenty of water, whereas cotton needs black soil. So simply we have to put up whereas here, and both sentences can be combined together. Rice needs plenty of water, whereas cotton needs black soil. The next conjunction is either or, and the sentences are attend your lesson, leave the class. So both options can be combined. In such kind of sentences we have choice. So here we can use either attend your lesson or leave your class. Either you can go to Shimla in holidays or to Manali. Neither and nor are used to combine two negative sentences or two negative choices. Here Kavita does not take care of her house. Kavita does not take up a job. So now we can combine both sentences. So we can make some changes like this. Kavita neither takes, this is present indefinite, takes care of her house, nor she takes up a job. You cannot go to Shimla in holidays. You cannot go to Manali in holidays. So both sentences can be combined like that. Neither you can go to Shimla nor to Manali in holidays. As dash as. He is clever, his brother is clever. Both sentences can be combined like he is as clever as his brother. Now look again, use of although and yet. India has rich resources. India is a poor country. Both sentences are contrast, opposite to each other. One is positive, other is negative. So how can we combine? Although India has rich resources, yet it is a poor country. So in this way we can combine sentences using although and yet. I hope you will like this video, and this is the first part. I will make it second part because there are so many linking words I am not able to cover in this video. So I will come up with second video soon. So thank you very much. Keep watching. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.